2 years ago, Loretta Bray was driving through Batesville when she saw a giant cross lit up from the road.
One of the first times we went up and we saw a cross in Batesville, Mississippi, and it just really affected us, and we wondered why we didn't have them in the South.
That question led to 2 years of planning, fundraising, and construction. Finally, on Friday, Rozier Construction lifted the final piece of the South Mississippi Cross of Christ into place. Mike Rozier, co-owner of Rozier Construction, has built 31 of these crosses along the South, and said this one was a little different.
This one is a little bit more because of the wind load, because we're so close to the Gulf Coast, and everything has to be a lot heavier.
The project raised over $300,000 from community members and churchgoers from across the region. Bray said she hopes that money will help keep the lights on long after she's gone.
When I'm far gone from this earth, I pray that this cross is still standing and that it plants seeds from now on.
Reporting for the Roy Howard Community Journalism Center, I'm Justin Glowacki.